Hi, so let's discuss about today's AI day. It's day number 13, and uh, I just found out that in ChatGPT we can have we have this Canva feature. So like uh, it's in October they have introduced this Canvas, so we can have for a better code available, or this chat gpt provide smooth code. So we have this details from that, and from this demo we can see how it can be created. So there are different options available, we will see in our tryout in short time. These are technical features. So if you want to use that, you can directly search for in chat gpt only. There is option view tools where you can use canvas, and from this you can google chat gpt canva, and there is another with same functionality, just feature is available in this drop down. So we can so it is canva, and oh, so no, this is canva for, I think, for design, which is not required for us. And we need to use only this one, canvas. So writing the code. So let's create one short program. So it automatically split into two, where actual code we can see here, and description is ready here, and we can run that code. Console is getting ready, running code, and here okay. So you can upload your uh, path, and from that path you can directly use see output here in console. You can directly copy this code and use in your working environment, or there are options available like code review, port to language. Like here you can see different languages available there: php, c++, python, javascript, typescript, java. R is not available here. Then you can fix bug. Then again it checks all the each and every steps when you click on fix bug. And I have reviewed the code and found no bugs, no changes were necessary. Okay, check. It's not checking again, not sure. Okay, then add logs. uh, we can see original and what changes are happened in this changes section. Then we can see previous version, we can see add comments. So you can use that during development of your code. This available code review, port to language, fix bug, add logs, add comments. So code review, we can see, we already seen that. This is the demo version they have. Review code is inline suggestions to improve your code, add log, insert print statement to help you debug and understand your code, add comments to the code to make it easier to understand, fix bug, detects and rewrite problematic code to resolve errors, port to language. So uh, fix bugs, it this interface is I think very useful if you are working for taking help from ChatGPT for code, because many times I have observed what we see here in ChatGPT, that could not work in real time in our IDE. So we need to tweak that code, or we need to take suggestions repeatedly from ChatGPT. There I am getting this error, how to resolve this. So instead of that to and fro, you can directly check your code here, and we can you can see if that output is getting correctly or not. So if you can use the this like we like once this is completed, the output or code is more accurate in to use in real environment as well. So this is the good functionality we have from like canvas. Mm, so it again checking, yeah, that particular uh, update is correctly resolved by chat gpt. So uh, I want to check if there. Let's see if it works or not. So it adding print statement for each code, but not reflecting this console. Okay, so go and check more details about this Canva, ChatGPT Canva, and try to use for better coding experience. Uh, that's it for today regarding ChatGPT Canva, and we will meet again with new topic for AI related discussion. Thank you.